I'm Rizel Puwalali, the finance head or the finance manager, assistant group lead head, and almost 2 years in the company. For almost 2 years in the company, I've seen and experienced how compassionate the management is. So I was hired last 2023, so I never expected that less than 6 months in company service, the company helped me, especially Sir Manny and Ma'am Ems, when we struggle or face struggles with my husband. So, alam na nila ni Ma'am, actually Sir. I stayed in the company because I believe in their vision and mission and how they value the employee, especially for those who stayed strong through thick and thin in the company. And also, I'm very thankful since last month they allowed me to take a leave for 1 month to pursue my dreams, to take the CPA board examination. And for that, I'm very grateful kay, hindi ko yan talaga, kung hindi ako nakapunta dito sa Mogated, hindi talaga ako makatake on board. Actually, matagal na akong gusto mag-pursue, but this time, parang di-allow talaga ni God and also Ma'am Ems and Sir Manny to pursue my dreams. And for that, thank you Ma'am, thank you Sir. Kung papalarin talaga ako this time for May 25, 27, 25, talaga, I'm very thankful and blessed sa company. Learn to appreciate what the company can give you, and also be appreciative, and share what can you contribute to the company. That's all. Thank you.